First, you will remove the top cover, open the bottom door, and remove the blade. Then you will take scissors and cut through the laminate on the bottom and pull out the roll. Then you will do the same thing on the top. Next, you will rotate the handle and remove the excess laminate. When you place the new rolls, make sure that you color code the green and the red, and notice that the top will say top and the bottom will say bottom. You will start with the bottom and pull up the small piece that has been folded over. You will feed it through the middle bar and place it between the black rollers. Then you will pull the top layer down and stick it to the bottom. Once the two layers are stuck together, you will rotate the crank and slightly feed the laminate through. To remove excess wrinkles and bubbles, place a piece of cardboard or some folded paper in the middle and crank it through. Then you will cut off the excess laminate and replace the door, replace the tray, and replace the top cover. Make sure that when you replace the tray, it goes between the grooves and connects up into the right position. When you are ready to laminate your poster, you line it up between the white lines on the tray and pull back the handle to unlock it. Once you feed your paper through, you will lock the handlebar back in place and slightly push down the paper to attach it to the laminate. Make sure you turn the handle in the correct way. Cut is pushed down and push across the laminate.